What up, YouTube family? Yeah, I'm just fucking around. All right, guys. So this is gonna be my next YouTube video. I'm going to cut my hair today. So I have the correct stand this time. So if you guys check it out, it's a little grown in. I'm gonna try to do a little a taper fade is what it's called. Yeah. I'll cut a little bit, just a quick size. I'm still growing the back. But yeah, no, wish me luck. We're gonna get it done. So let's get it. All right, chat. All right, chat. All right, so I'm gonna start with the guard closed. Not going too crazy, not gonna go too crazy. Just a little bit up. Half guard, open. Damn, I can't see shit. All right, and then from here, chat, one guard, open. One guard, open. Second guard, open. All right, so now I'm just gonna get rid of the bulk. All right, so now, as you guys see, we have all the guidelines, Bing, 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 bing. So now what we gotta do is blend them. I'm gonna start it slowly. I'm gonna go slow, we're just gonna work it in there. But actually, let me clean up the hair. Oh. Dude, it's so hot in here, bro. Yo, you gotta stop with this shenanigans. My girlfriend's taking a shower at the moment. It's hot. Look at that. Hot. Damn. All right. When we start with the other guard, the first guard that we used, so we'll start with 3/4. And we're gonna slowly move up. Oh, makes your ear itch so much. Ah. Dude, it's so hot in here. I gotta take a break, guys, because it's fucking me up.
Oh, I just noticed stuff all over our hair.
Yo, by the way, I'm not a barber. I'm not licensed or anything. I learned this strictly off of YouTube. YouTube. I don't think it's that bad. Not bad. I don't think it's that bad. All right, so now let's get some of the details. The details. It's just so much harder because it's my left hand. And so it's my left hand, and I have like tennis elbow, like really, really bad. So when I keep my elbow bent for too long, my whole arm goes numb. I just sit there like, ah. So let's see how long I can last. Ah! big ass pimple in the back of my neck. How do I get the back, bruh? It's all about angles. Angles. So yeah, but you know, once again, I'm trying to grow a mullet, so I'm not touching the back, so it makes it so much easier. I just can't see, man. Yo, chat, how's it look? Alright, what I'm gonna do now, so I have this little, like, these little hairs. I guess it's essentially my hairline, but yeah, I don't do anything with it, I just cut them. Boop. See, this is the part that scares me, because if I go too high up, that's my hairline. Ooh, that's a good idea. Hey, it worked. Ah! I think it looks good. Don't have to go that crazy, in all honesty. Remember, I'm not a professional, so I just go do the best I can. What I do have, though, are these cutting shears that I've never used before in my life. I just think these are, like, super long, so I think that's really more what I'm interested in, just cutting these a little. Dude, I just poked my eye, bruv. Oh, I just poked my eye! Ah! I don't even know what to do. I don't know how to do this. Hey, not bad, not bad. Honestly, not bad. I'm not really too worried about how it looks right now. I like it. Am I supposed to blend? Bruh, I don't know how, so I don't want to. Yeah, I can't do it. So, I'm not gonna. I fucks with it. You guys tell me at the end what you think. Because I'm gonna do my eyebrows too. Dude, whenever I do this, it itches the hell out of my ear. Oh, I just see this one thing right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't get rid of that. Damn. I don't know what to do. I get into these precarious situations where it's like, I try and then I end up messing it up, which I don't want to do. I got it. Got it. Got it. And then the last thing I do, just trim up my beard a little bit. Trim it up. She doesn't really like it that long. I don't really like it that long. What do you guys think? I have a lot of people that tell me to like do it all the way up here. I do it, but then I got this little like double chin that I'm like, nah, I like to camouflage. We can kind of camouflage a little bit. Well, wait, girls can too. You guys wear makeup. do you think, chat? What do you think, chat? I think I did good. All right, I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows. So I was actually gonna go in like this, and I realized I'm not gonna be able to see it. Bro! Bro, I just shaved my eyelash. Yo! No! Bro, I was like, where did that noise come from? Alright, guess I gotta keep that in mind. It's the best I'm gonna get him. I actually don't know how to do this. I'll be honest, it's my first time ever doing this by myself. Alright, so I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna be back and show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna style a little bit too, so. Alright, so I'm gonna style a little bit. To be glued. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Let's see. Should be more than enough. And then I just kind of played through my hair. So I wet it first, obviously, you know. So, don't wanna put it all in just one spot. So yeah, it's kind of just move it around. You know, trying to give it a little bit of shape, fluff it up a little bit. We got the back going. Ooh. Make sure it's all in. And yeah, guys, that's it. It's a cut. Quick little fixer up. Huh? Nice. So yeah, there we go. I think it's kind of good. I'm gonna leave it how it is. Whatever.
Let me see.